get the belt off, so loosen off the tensioner, get the belt off, and then we can aim for these brackets here, here. A little more down there, I'm sure. Yep, one there. And probably another one under there. Yep, one in there as well. Okay, so tensioner, yes, there is a locking nut here. It needs to come off as well. Yes. Okay. There we go. Lovely. Hang on. Yeah, go in there. Maybe. Okay, it's not coming out yet. Alright, that's definitely off now. Okay, I'm going to take the timing belt cover off and then the timing belt. Four pull out to done. Got a gasket on there. there's a Allen key here, which I believe will loosen it. There's only a weird looking thing here, so I'm just got an Allen key to fit that, and then we should be able to loosen the tensioner. Okay, so I initially thought it was the Allen key that had to be done, but it's not. You actually have to take the tensioner off completely, which is just 2 bolts itself. You can't see them from that angle, but pretty much one there and one on the opposite side of the tensioner. I'll show you the tensioner once it comes off. So I've got to guess it at 10mm again. Yep. So that's your tensioner. Two bolts. That's the pressure, the pin that does all the pressure. Okay, so just push the tensioner out of the way. Belt comes off. Nice and easy. Okay. So I need to take off the cam bolt. There we go. 19mm. There's the bar. Yeah, of course it is. There we go, so it's cracked it. Pin in there, lock pin. Pin here, alignment pin. Okay, cool. I'll take this thing off. it's not budging. So I've got it all off or not, I'm about to break something. Yep, there we go. It does move. Right, so that tensioner wheel I was hoping to avoid taking off has to come off anyway. So back to my Allen key, 10mm. Okay, so it's too hard to do by itself, so I don't have a big variety of extender bars. So I will go a bit ad hoc. Nice. Okay, pull the assembly off. Okay, next we'll go for this, and then the head. Let's see if we can get it all off at one go. Okay, just chuck all this stuff back in. Seems a bit cumbersome putting all this stuff back in, but it's just not worth it. Not worth having to deal with it later. There we go.